Hello everyone and welcome to my natural universe. My name is Paris. Welcome to my new viewers and to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your continued support. To my new viewers, welcome to the click. So today, as you can see from the title and as you can see from this look, this is my final look. I just a very simple two buns or side buns hairstyle. So this hairstyle is suitable for someone who has short hair, short for C, for A, for B, any type of hair, especially the 4 type, even the 3C, 3B, they are suited for this hairstyle. That depends with your shrinkage. Yeah, so my hairstyle is, it turned out this way and I guess I love it. I actually love it. I don't know why I'm saying I guess I love it. I actually love it. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, continue watching this video and I hope you guys are going to enjoy every bit of this video. So I'm starting off with this hair. Like, my hair is horrible, I know. So I'm just beginning with wet hair, as in dry hair. And then I'll be using water. I'll be using some water with my water bottle. Then I'll be using a leave-in conditioner. This time around I'm using a Radiant leave-in conditioner, leave-in treatment. You can get it from any stores. And I'll also be using my Eco Styler gel. Actually, it's like almost over. However, like I'm doing this video because I want to do a different hairstyle, and I felt like if at all I'm not going to utilize this opportunity, I might not be able to shoot this video again. So let me just get it started, So just spraying some water on my hair because my hair is so dry.
Stop by later, maybe I'll go to fix something tea. You wanna grab something from the street, bring it home? But yeah, I'm just just wanna hold it, don't wanna swim it over. It feels like you got it, you want your roller coaster. Don't ask me about my freedom, don't ask me about my wisdom. You want it, you need it, but why? maybe you're gonna fix something tea. You wanna grab something from the street, bring it out. But yeah,
So this is my final look, and I'm quite impressed by the a very simple hairstyle. If at all you have like coiled twist outs, or maybe your hair is just like afro, you can go with this hairstyle. You can just decide to like pick some hair from the side and then just have it like that, but I love it. So the partitioning is like, that is my not partitioning, sectioning. This is my sectioning. I don't even know why I'm talking like that. I hope you guys love it. So anyway, if you love this look, you can just, you know, it's as simple as that. All you need is a gel, some leave-in conditioner, and your natural hair. Whether your hair is short, whether your hair is longer, whether your hair, you know, it's medium like mine, you can, this hairstyle can suit you. So subscribe, comment, like, and share, and wait for the next hairstyle. I'm so in love with the edges.